Hey guys, my name is Leisha and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a super fun video for you guys. I styled only one oversized shirt in 5 different ways and they're just completely wearable. You can actually wear them outside. So I'm super excited about that. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. This is the shirt that I've used to create all these different looks, and this one I got from Shein. I absolutely love this shirt because it's like nice and oversized. The material is really good and I actually use it very often, and it has held up really well, and it has definitely become a wardrobe staple for me. Honestly, not at all sponsored guys, and I will link the shirts link in the description box below if it's still available. If not, there are so many different oversized shirts that you can actually find online, so I really hope you guys find the one that you like. And without any further ado, let's just get started.
I feel it coming on my throat.
Okay guys, so for this first one, what you need to do is you just need to lift the collar and just fold it inwards so that the collar is completely invisible, and you'll notice that you get like this nice V-neck going on. So now I'm just going to take the rest of the shirt and tuck it into my skirt, and there you have it. This is the simplest one, and you have this really nice looking V-neck blouse which you can wear it for a nice night out with a pair of jeans, and it will not look like a shirt at all. So for the second one, all you need to do is wear the shirt only on one shoulder and leave the other shoulder bare like this. Then we're going to take the sleeve from the opposite side and take the bottom of the shirt from the opposite side and then just tie it all together. Now you can take the sleeve and just tuck it into the skirt or pant, whatever you're wearing. Or you can also just leave it out. Both ways they look cute, and this shirt is really trending right now, and you can just make it out of the shirt that you already have it at home. How cool is that? So this third one is a skirt. Now obviously you will need to do this without wearing a skirt underneath, but since I was making a video, I wore a skirt underneath. Now I'm just going to lift the shirt to the level I want, and then I'm just going to button it up. Then I'm just going to grab the sleeves and then just tie a knot or a bow, whatever you like, and voila, that's it. Now again, even this skirt is one of those pieces that has been really trending right now, and you can just make it with the shirt that you have at home. Now you can also just tuck in the loose ends if you feel like they're bothering you or they're a little bumpy. You can just tuck them in, and there you go. Now this fourth one has got to be one of my favorites. Now here I'm just wearing the shirts on backwards because I've tied a knot on the back, and here I'm just going to show you how you can do it yourself. It's just super simple. You just need to do a double knot, and make sure to do a double knot guys, so that it doesn't come off when you're outside. And that's it. You have a very cute little open back top. Now if you guys don't like the high collar detail, then what you can do is you can just fold the collar till it reaches the shoulder level that you want, and you have a nice little off the shoulder ruched top which has an open back, and I just think it is so feminine and just so summer appropriate. Now this last one is something that I've done in one of my videos, and you guys have been asking me about it. For this, all you need to do is just open some of the buttons from the top and then just drop the shirt to the shoulder level that you want. Now just fold the edges of the shirt so that they sit nice and firm on the shoulders, and then here I just like to do a knot on the front on the bottom, but you can either just tuck it in or leave it as is. Both ways just looks cute, but I just really like a cute little front knot. And this has got to be my favorite look because it's super easy and just looks very feminine and cute.
So guys, those are all the ways how you can style only one oversized shirt in so many different ways. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do let me know in the comments down below if you guys did. Also, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you guys like this video. I make videos every Tuesday and Friday. And we are very soon going to be a family of 6k people. I can already feel like 10k is not far away. Oh my god, if that happens, that'll be awesome. So I'm super excited and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.